Creating a Facebook remarketing pixel. Hey there, my good friends. We are pretty sure that you are more than eager to start creating your first remarketing campaign on Facebook by now, especially after seeing the Ads Manager in action. But you won't be able to create the most basic type of remarketing campaign on Facebook unless you create your Facebook pixel first. Thankfully, this is a pretty easy to implement task, and we are here to guide you through it the right way, step by step. But first things first, what is a Facebook remarketing pixel? A Facebook remarketing pixel is simply an HTML element that Facebook uses to track visitors of a website back to Facebook so it can show them targeted ads on their news feeds and on the right-hand column on their home pages. What a Facebook pixel does is to add a tracking code to a specific website page, which in turn reports an action taken by visitors on that specific page back to Facebook, where such visitors are traced and shown ads to. Have you noticed that when you go to certain websites, such as e-commerce sites, and then go back to Facebook, you start seeing ads promoting products or services offered by those websites on your Facebook homepage? That is the Facebook pixel at work. What the pixel did was to track you from the websites that you visited back to Facebook, where ads are shown to you according to the actions that you took on the pages that you visited. Creating your own Facebook remarketing pixel. Creating a Facebook remarketing pixel is easier than you might think, and we are going to show you how right away. First, you have to start by logging into your Facebook account, and from there, go to the Ads Manager by clicking on the Ad Shortcut link located in the Create section under the left-hand column menu. Once in your Ads Manager dashboard, click on the Hamburger Tools menu. Now locate the Measure and Report section and click on the Pixel Shortcut link. You will be taken to the Facebook Pixels page. Once there, simply click on the Create a Pixel button. A pop-up window will appear with your account's pixel information, and you will simply have to click on the Create button to finish. Awesome! Your new Facebook remarketing pixel is ready to go. Please note that you will only be allowed to create one Facebook remarketing pixel per ad account, so you won't have to go through this step after setting it up unless you decide to create additional ad accounts. Now that you have created your Facebook remarketing pixel, you can start using it on your website to track your visitors for remarketing. And in order to use your pixel on your website, you have to install it there first. And we are going to show you how in our following video, so make sure to tune in.